detects me automatically when I'm in front of the device.
Please choose protocol.
This system has two protocols.
Please choose protocol.
So I can choose which one I'm going to use. I just show my hands.
Welcome.
Now this
Perform
system
hand hygiene.
talks me and guides me through the process. I have a big countdown on screen, so I don't have to sing happy birthday twice. And if I get distracted, I'm talking to someone, I'm not performing my hand hygiene,
I've lost track of your hands.
the system will tell me, too fast, please repeat step. So let's repeat it. Now I can perform hand hygiene with all the common movements. I can do it low, high, to the sides. It doesn't matter. I can even stop a little bit and then get back at it, and it forgives me.
Done. Put on gown.
Now the gown is a more complex step, so the system will guide me through this step, those steps, well, step by step. Now it's checking to see if I have a gown on, and it's waiting for me. So as soon as it sees that I have a gown, it gives me the next instructions.
Ensure neck and sides are secured.
So now it's checking to see
Cuffs
if the
covering proximal part of the hand.
neck of my gown was secured.
Turn around and please wait. I will check the back of your gown.
And as you can see, the system is faster than me, so it will often be waiting for me, and it doesn't matter, it will react to my speed. And
Still checking.
eventually I will do what it's asking me to do, show my back.
Checking back of gown.
It talks to me when I have my back turned as well.
Gown open at back. Please face the screen again and review the back of your gown.
I can see a photo, so it is
Turn
easy.
around and please wait. I will check the back of your gown.
It's easy for me to understand where it's open and how. So now I can fix. It wants to check again.
Checking back of gown. Please face the screen again and review the back of your gown. Done. Put on mask.
It shows me a confirmation even
Mold the wire and base of mask under chin.
when
Show
my
your
gown was
hands when
correct.
finished.
Just so I could have the peace of mind of seeing it for myself and making sure it's okay. Now again, it's waiting for me for a long time.
Checking nose.
It checks that I had a mask, now my nose,
Checking chin.
and the chin.
Done. Put on eye protection.
Another situation where
Done.
as soon as I put on, it moves
Put
forward.
on gloves and cover the cuff. Show your hands when finished.
Now the system is already waiting for me, and so I'll put on my gloves, and I can show my hands to the system, and it will detect that I don't have a glove on my left hand.
I can't see your left glove.
So let's put on a glove. And let's make a common error of not covering your wrists.
Move your left hand so I can see it. Checking wrists. Your left wrist doesn't seem covered.
So it gives me all the signs, it's not moving
It
forward.
seems neither left nor right wrists are covered.
It turns red, and it eventually talks to me
Move
to
your
say,
right and
hey,
left hand so I can see it.
that wasn't correct. You have to cover the cuffs of your gown.
Checking wrists.
So it wants to check again.
Done. You're all set. Thank you.
Thank you.